Good morning YouTube, and good morning my friends. This week yet again we are heading for a trip. As usual, as a couple we are starting, and this time we are heading to a picturesque hill station. One more thing, I can't wait to show you how the weather is outside. We are planning to go, and we have kept the bike ready, we have packed everything. We are excited to show you what we are going to see, and I'm sure you will be too. Are you?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so we'll start. Stay tuned.
The serene misty morning greeted us gleefully. The kind of weather every motorcyclist dreams of. Fresh air, empty road with the occasional early morning joggers. We couldn't have asked for a better start to our first proper long distance ride. The camera fogged up a bit because of the moisture in the air. At this very moment, my bike would be thinking, sprinting will not win you a marathon. You know what that means.
So after an hour of visual treat, our tummies wanted a treat too. So we stopped for breakfast at my husband's favorite eatery, the Adayar Ananda Bhavan.
What better than a plate of ghee masala dosa to pacify a hungry soul like me? My breakfast ritual is never complete without a cup of aromatic filtered coffee.
With our tummies full, we were back for some more tarmac fun. Twisties and hairpin bends had never been fun for me. But I heard that they are a lot easier if you're on a two-wheeler than on a four-wheeler. It sure did in my case. The ride uphill was so much fun that I never felt uncomfortable even for a moment.
There were 20 hairpin bends. Our motorcycle nailed them all with ease.
Check in. Lionel. Thank you.
After nearly 6 hours of pure entertainment on road, we reached our destination. The Brook Resorts and Spa, Yercaud.